Your web application is hosted on Cloud Run and needs to query a Cloud SQL database. Every morning during a traffic spike, you notice API quota errors in Cloud SQL logs. The project has already reached the maximum API quota. You want to make a configuration change to mitigate the issue. What should you do? A. Modify the minimum number of Cloud Run instances. B. Use traffic splitting. C. Modify the maximum number of Cloud Run instances. D. Set a minimum concurrent requests environment variable for the application. Thank you for pointing that out. Let's reassess the situation with the correct answer in mind. Correct answer: A. Modify the minimum number of Cloud Run instances. Explanation. In this case, the problem involves Cloud SQL API quota errors during traffic spikes, likely caused by Cloud Run scaling up too quickly and generating too many concurrent API requests to Cloud SQL. Modifying the minimum number of Cloud Run instances can mitigate the issue because 1. Connection persistence. By adjusting the minimum number of Cloud Run instances, you can ensure that there is a baseline number of instances always running. This can reduce the need for rapid scaling during high traffic times, which in turn reduces the likelihood of hitting the Cloud SQL API quota. 2. Avoiding overscaling. If you don't allow Cloud Run to scale too rapidly, you reduce the risk of creating too many database connections in a short period. This way, the database is not overwhelmed, and the API quota issues are minimized. Why other options are incorrect? B. Use traffic splitting. Why not? Traffic splitting helps to direct traffic between different versions of a service but doesn't address the issue of API quota limits caused by scaling during traffic spikes. C. Modify the maximum number of Cloud Run instances. Why not? While modifying the maximum number of instances can control the upper limit, it doesn't prevent Cloud Run from scaling rapidly at times of high traffic. The issue is the minimum number of instances running when traffic starts to spike, so adjusting the maximum may not be as effective in controlling the API quota errors. D. Set a minimum concurrent requests environment variable for the application. Why not? Setting a minimum concurrent requests limit is more about controlling how many requests each instance can handle concurrently, not about controlling how many instances scale up. It doesn't address the core issue of too many instances being created and generating excessive API requests. Conclusion. By modifying the minimum number of Cloud Run instances, you can effectively control how quickly Cloud Run scales up during traffic spikes, helping to prevent the API quota from being exceeded and mitigating the quota errors with Cloud SQL.